First, we'll open the trunk. From the back side of the taillight, right there at the top is a clip that we're supposed to take out. We'll be using a clip remover tool like this to pull that clip outwards. First clip is taken out. Just like that, the clip we took out here, which I'm pointing out. Similar to that, there's one more clip right here that's supposed to be taken out. It's missing in my case for some reason, but in your case, make sure you take the second clip out as well. Suppose we take out both these clips, only then we will pull this cover outwards. Once we pull out the cover, behind the cover you would notice there are 3 nuts that are supposed to be taken out. Here I'm showing from a different angle the location of those 3 nuts, and I will be taking them out with a 10mm wrench. One rule of thumb to take out these nuts is actually to unscrew them with the tool first. Once the nut loses its grip, then you can just unscrew it with your fingers. This speeds up the process a little bit. Also, while you are taking out these nuts, be careful as you don't end up falling them, because if you do lose them down there, it would be a little difficult to find them back. We took out the first nut, and similar way we'll be taking out the remaining 2 nuts. Again, lose the nut with the tool first and then take it out with your fingers. The third nut is a little inwards, so you may have to squeeze in your arm to take that third nut out. All the 3 nuts are taken out. Now we will take out both the plugs. Press and hold the tab of the plug in the middle and then pull the plug outwards. Same goes for the blue color plug. Press and hold the tab in the middle and then pull the plug outwards. Both the plugs pulled out. Now we will go at the front. We will slide out the tail light with both arms until it completely pops out. And right there we got the tail light taken out. Now in my case, the tail light is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new tail light and you want to install it back, notice behind the tail light there is that spot right there. This position has to be slided into that bracket right there. And then from the other side, notice there is that pointer right there. It has to go in this hole right here. Now we will go ahead and punch in the tail light. We make sure it's aligned with the positions I pointed out earlier. And once the tail light is completely in, only then we will give it a push from the front. Tail light is installed. Now we will go behind and put back all these 3 nuts. We'll put all the way till the very end with our fingers, and once it reaches to the end, then we will tighten them with that 10mm wrench. We will make sure not to over tighten these nuts, because sometimes over tightening them does end up breaking the tabs of the tail light from behind. We will make sure one more time that all these 3 nuts are tight enough. Now we will go ahead and put back both the plugs. We'll install the blue color one first. It goes into the black color plug. Then we will install the white color plug. We'll put back the cover that we took out earlier in the process. Then we will put back the clip at the very top. And again, this clip was missing in my case, but in your case, if you have a clip, make sure you install that clip right there. With that, we are done with the replacement of tail light. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.